Rangpur residents saw 275 millimeters of rain in 36 hours. The lower part of the city has become waterlogged. Rangpur Meteorological Office Assistant Director said 275 millimeters of rain fell in 36 hours till 11 a.m. on Tuesday. It is likely to rain till Tuesday afternoon local time. Meanwhile, waterlogging has occurred in the lower part of the city due to rains. The Shaimasundari Canal flowing over the city has overflowed and flooded the houses on both sides. Water has also entered the Kotwali police station campus due to lack of water due to road and drain works. At this time last year, the city dwellers saw 433 millimeters of rain in 36 hours. At that time the city was waterlogged for about 7 days. The mayor said water was not flowing from many places in the city as drainage and road works were underway. Work is underway to bring water from those places by alternative means. He also said that work has been going on since night so that there is no waterlogging anywhere. Bangladesh Desk. Bongshai News.
বাংলাদেশ বিয়ানীবাজার সামাজিক ও সাংস্কৃতিক সমিতি ইউএসএর নির্বাচন 2021। মান্নান মাহবুব পরিষদ সৃজনশীল, যোগ্য, সৎ, গতিশীল ও নতুন নেতৃত্বের প্রত্যাশায় আগামী 10 অক্টোবর আপনার মূল্যবান ভোট দিন। প্রিয় বিয়ানীবাজারবাসী, আসুন এবারের নির্বাচনে সমিতিকে আরও গতিশীল করতে এবং হারানো ঐতিহ্য ও গৌরব ফিরিয়ে আনতে মান্নান মাহবুব পরিষদকে নির্বাচিত করি।